how to use the online readings for students. In the online digital workbook, we also have some readings that students can do. When you open the workbook, or maybe your teacher will share with you, you can click on Contents and go to Readers. There are 3 readings that you can click on. There's Home and School for beginners. Let's take a look. You can click on Read the Book. To read the first one, you can click on the arrow in the bottom right. You can see pictures and read information. After that, there are some questions. You can check your answers in practice. There might be a lot of practice for some readings. If you're a high beginner, you might click on Portland People and Places. You can read the book. Click on the arrow in the bottom right, or you can click on Contents and choose a reading. The readings have pictures with more writing, and at the end, they still have comprehension questions. They might have discussion questions also to talk about with the partner, and some of them have videos you can watch. There's a 3rd level with the 7 Wonders of Oregon for intermediate students. For these stories, there's still some pictures, but there's more reading. There's more practice with vocabulary and sometimes with writing. What can you do with all of this reading? Well, students can read on their phone, on their tablet, on a computer, or paper, in any place. Your teacher can help you find the website, but you can do all of this in many different places on many different devices. Students can read out loud to work on fluency and pronunciation. Students can record themselves reading out loud on their phone, computer, or another way, and they can listen. In class, students can read together and discuss comprehension questions. Students can also study new vocabulary, new words in each reading. They can copy sentences, practice writing, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. If there are questions, or if students want to think about the topics and then write about them, students can write responses. There are many ways you can use the online readings. You can also ask your teacher, what are you going to read today? How to use the online readings for students.